Hello friends, I welcome to all viewers to today's lecture, that is ladder friction. Here first question is raised here. What do you mean by ladder friction? So the friction produced by the end of the ladder on the floor and the wall surface is called ladder friction. So let us consider a ladder AB of the length L resting on the rough horizontal floor and leaning against a wall at an angle theta. Let W be the weight of the ladder AB and acts vertically downward through the center of gravity of the ladder, or at the center of the ladder. When the lower end of the ladder tends to slip away from the wall, the direction of the force of friction, that is frictional force, between the ladder and the floor, that is F, will be towards the wall. Similarly, when the upper end of the ladder tends to slip downward, the frictional force will act in the upward direction, that is Fw, and Fw equal to mu W into Rw. Now here we have drawn this free body diagram of the ladder with various forces acting on the ladder. The weight of the ladder W in the downward direction, the normal reaction Rf offered by the floor to the ladder, then the frictional force between ladder and the ground floor or floor, Ff, Rw, that is normal reaction offered by the wall on the ladder, frictional force Fw. The problem on the ladder friction can be solved by resolving the forces acting on the ladder horizontally and vertically and applying the limiting conditions summation fx equal to 0, summation fy equal to 0 and summation m equal to 0. I will see the meaning of each term. Capital L is the length of ladder, then capital W, weight of the ladder, Ff, that is frictional force between the ladder and the floor, and that is equal to mu f into Rf. So mu f is the coefficient of friction between ladder and the floor. Rf is the reaction offered by the floor. Fw, the frictional force between ladder and the wall surface, and that is equal to mu W into Rw. So mu W is the coefficient of friction between ladder and wall, and this Rw is reaction offered by the wall. So in this diagram, the floor and the wall are rough, but sometimes the wall will be smooth, otherwise the floor will be smooth. So we have to remember these 2 points. If the wall is smooth, the coefficient of friction between ladder and wall, that is mu W, will be 0, and this product will be 0, that is frictional force Fw will be 0. If the floor or ground is smooth, the coefficient of friction between ladder and floor will be 0, so this product of frictional force will be 0. These are the two important points on this roughness or smoothness of the floor and wall. In next video, we will learn the centroid and the center of gravity. Friends, we are trying to cover each and every points, but even though if any point missed, write in comments. We will prepare video on it. We are getting awesome response from viewers. Your feedback and suggestions can improve quality and contents of our videos. Thank you for watching this video. Like and share our videos. Subscribe our channel for the next amazing videos. Thank you very much.